Hi everyone, my name is Sherry and I welcome you all to Brown Being. Guys, today in this brand new video, I'm showing you two products which I got through a great deal from Nykaa. These are from the brand Mcaffeine. I'm sure most of you are familiar with this brand, it requires no introduction. Mcaffeine is an Indian brand which produces caffeine-based products, and recently I had purchased an Mcaffeine product from Nykaa and I got two miniature Mcaffeine products free along with that. Mcaffeine produces a range of products which are free from parabens, silicone and sulfate, which are really bad for your skin, and also they are cruelty free, which is the most required at this point of time. So I got these two glass jars which are absolutely cute inside this jute bag which has Mcaffeine written on it. One of these is Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub. It has 20 gram of product quantity. This has been made from Arabica coffee with cold pressed coconut oil. It can be used to get rid of blackheads, dead skin cells, tanning, or maybe just to get a smoother skin. It will not be harsh on your skin, obviously because of the presence of cold pressed coconut oil. Since this is an Mcaffeine product, this has caffeine in it which can help you to get rid of puffiness. Let me show you its texture by taking some in my hand. Well, it is definitely fine powdery in nature. This coffee body scrub has been specially designed for normal to oily skin people, and the shelf life of this is 2 years. The other one here is Naked and Rich Choco Body Butter. It has 30 grams of product quantity. This has cocoa butter, caffeine, argan oil, vitamin E, all good things for your skin. And it also has caramel. Well, I'm not a really big fan of having caramel or strawberry or fruity smell in my skincare routine, but I'm sure there are a lot of people who would love to have this. As you can see, the consistency of this product is definitely buttery. This body butter has been specially designed to provide nourishment and moisturization to all kinds of skin. Both of these have expiration period of 2 years, but once you start using it or once you open it, you have to consume both of these within 6 months. But looking at the size of these two, they will definitely get consumed within 6 months. And the one thing which I liked a lot about these two is that both of these products have come in a glass jar, not in a plastic container. So glass jar are sustainable, they can be recycled, they can be reused as well. Mcaffeine often comes with such free gift deals. Sometimes there is this combo, and sometimes there is a body polishing oil and body scrub combo, and sometimes they just give any product for free on any Mcaffeine purchase. So if you also wish to avail such offers, then you must check out the links which are in the description. And if you like this video, then please do give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so I get motivated and make more such reviews and unboxing videos in future. I'll take a leave, and please do take care of yourself.